Hey guys, how are you? I'm about to install my new paddle shifter extensions that just came in today, which I'm pretty excited about because these are very tiny and hopefully they look good. Let me show you how these look like. So, just your casual, usual paddle shifter extension. It's pretty big. It's gonna go right on here, just like that. And we'll see how it looks after. They give you this 3M tape, so I already cleaned the paddle shifter extension and I cleaned the paddle shifter itself, and I will now stick these on and put them on and see how it looks. These are my favorite shoes because they have carbon fiber, and if you're car people, you know we love our carbon fiber. But yeah, I might film doing these throughout the process. If I don't, I'll show you how they look right after. Okay guys, this is how they look after I put the double-sided tape. I hope I did them right. There's really no instructions. It's just the box and the stickers. They gave me another set of these, so I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put these on the paddle shifters or if these are extra, so if you mess up you would use them. But I'm guessing they're extra, so I'm not going to put those on. I'll just use this, and we'll see how that goes. And this is how the final product looks. I think it looks amazing. You can see them from all the way down here, up there. They're like easy to access.